Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to cook easy Parmesan and garlic pasta. You must have made many kinds of pasta, but this is just easy comfort food, prepared in no time. It is light enough to be served as a main dish or a delicious side to accompany with your favorite veggies and meats. Please watch the video till the end to view serving suggestions and ingredients list. Please subscribe to our channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Also, please like the recipe Easy Parmesan Pasta and share it with your friends and family. You can get featured on Festive Flavors by preparing a recipe from the channel and taking a picture of your preparation. Now, you just have to tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook so that we can feature you with your picture on our channel. Now, let's look at the ingredients. Fettuccine pasta 1 pound or 450 grams, Parmesan cheese 1 cup, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, butter 3 tablespoons, chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, water 50 ounces or 1.5 liters. Now let's get cooking. Place a pan over high heat, pour water. Add salt. Bring the water to a boil. Covering it will make the water boil faster. Once the water has boiled, add pasta. The pasta might not fit in the pan, but as soon as it starts to cook, you will find it easier to push the pasta down. Let the pasta cook till 10 to 12 minutes or till it is al dente. I've used fettuccine pasta, but you can use angel hair or linguine pasta as well. The pasta has cooked now. Now strain the pasta, and in doing so, conserve 4 to 5 ladles of water, which is around 1.5 cups of boiled pasta water. This will be used later to make the sauce. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. If you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Melt butter in a pan. Add chopped garlic. Let it cook till they start to brown, but do not turn them brown completely. Add a pinch of red chili flakes. Add the pasta. Toss the pasta in butter, garlic and red chili flakes. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Now add the pasta water to the pasta. You can add more or less according to your preference. Toss the pasta in the sauce. Add some more chili flakes. Now add Parmesan cheese. Toss the pasta and mix the cheese. Easy Parmesan garlic pasta is ready to be served. Plate the pasta and pour some sauce on top. Top it with some more Parmesan cheese. The better the quality of cheese, the tastier is the pasta. You can use other varieties of cheese, but Parmesan garlic pasta tastes best with Parmesan cheese. Please stay a little longer to view the serving suggestions and ingredients list. If you like the recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Now let's look at the serving suggestions. Parmesan garlic pasta can be served with roasted vegetables or roasted chicken or shrimp, or any kind of meat will go well too. You can also serve this with garlic bread as it is a soup style pasta. This is the list of the ingredients. Ingredients list is also in the description box below. Please share the recipe with your family and friends. Next time we will come with a new recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.